I gotta say, this is kind of my favorite part of working on a vehicle, when I can actually use my carpentry skills, which are slightly better than my mechanic skills. Alright, I got these shims in, just to hold that. Oh! Drop the screws. Alright, that's in. We'll drop the drawer members in, get a measurement this way, that way, and we're going to make that out of MDF. 22 3/8 by 24. 22 3/8 by 24, cut out of MDF. Well, this is 22, but I wanted 22 3/8 by 24, so we're just going to go 22 by 22 3/8, just to use up the material I have. MDF! Not really as square as I had hoped, but absolutely works for what I need. Even got a little bit of storage underneath, although I don't know if that's going to be worth anything. Now we mount it to the base. Got it lined up to the front. Got a couple clamps on it. I'm going to screw up from the bottom. Hopefully you can see.
This should work.
Ah, I broke my bit. Cheap bits. What was I just saying about tools that last a while? Come on. You fit, I know you fit. Spare tire rolls in without a problem, which is good. I thought I'd have a little bit of flopsiness going on there, but if I strap my toolbox and stuff down to the top of that through these D-rings. That'll hold everything down. And there we've got a little lunch table. This is the tote I usually carry fluids in. So, using my D-rings here, gotta kind of find its spot. That's pretty good. This still leaves room for a soft-sided cooler for trail riding. That's a 1997 Jeep ZJ. I mean, obviously you can do this for anything. But little pull-out drawer. Pulls all the way out if you're not careful. Little slide-out table for lunch. Put your little stove, little sterno stove, or your food, whatever. And I like that. I like it. Okay, moving on. Up next, I gotta get the other side of this garage cleared so I can pull this thing actually into that bay, because we're going after this thing mechanically, or at least physically. Getting it ready for the trail ride coming up in a few weeks. So, time to get that squared away, and that'll probably be the next video. Catch you then.